Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel. My name is Anas, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions or any video requests, make sure to drop them below in the comment or check out my Instagram right here below. I do reply to each comment. If you are wondering again why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And in this video, I will show you how to remove the cart icon from the header on your Shopify store. So lately I did post a video on how to remove the add to cart button. And I forgot actually, if you want to remove the add to cart button, you should as well remove the cart icon from the header on your Shopify store, obviously. And I forgot to mention that. But for this video, I will show you how to completely remove the cart icon from your Shopify store. So if you want to remove the add to cart button, then you should do this as well. And if you are wondering why would someone want to remove the add to cart button, well, there is a lot of reasons why, and good ones as well. For example, there is a problem when it comes to Shopify or dropshipping or e-commerce in general, which is the abandoned carts. So people add to product to a cart, then they just leave on. They do not complete the process, or they do not even access the website again, which is really weird. However, that problem exists, and there is a lot of solutions to fix that problem. And one of them is completely removing the add to cart. So once the customer access the product page, he will only see the buy it now button. And buy it now button, once he clicks on it, it will take him directly to the checkout page to complete the process and eventually buy the product. And actually, you should do this if you are doing dropshipping and you only sell particular products, like 5 products in the whole Shopify store, or even you do use one product Shopify store. You brand a Shopify store based on a product and you sell only that product. Then why do you need the add to cart button or even the cart section? Right? You only sell one product. The cart is for people that wants to do shopping on a particular website, which is Amazon, eBay, and so on. They are shopping through the website and adding products to the cart, and lastly, they do the checkout for the complete cart, which has like 5 or 10 or I don't know, maybe X number of products. That's how it works, and that's how much the cart job is. However, if you do only sell one product or just 2 or 3 products and you do dropshipping and you actually promote through Facebook ads or TikTok ads and you only promote one product at once, why do you need the cart? That's the basic question in here. But no worries, in this video I will show you how to remove the cart icon. And if you do not know how to remove the add to cart button, then check out my channel. I already posted that video. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. But before we start, if this video helped you out, help me out pressing that like button. I would really appreciate it. Just like the banner says here, just a like please. I would really appreciate it. It will motivate me to make more videos for you guys, and it's completely free. It will take you like a millisecond to press the like button. So press the like button. I'm just joking. It's very optional. I will show you always things, and I will even provide you my support. If you have issues, anything like that, drop me a comment. I will be happy to help you out. And the like button is optional. But for the sake of this face right here, just a like please. I'm just joking. Anyway, let's just get to it and remove this little guy right here, as you can see. And the first thing you're going to do is obviously access the Shopify dashboard. Then click on the online store on the left menu. Then click on the 3 dots on left of customize right here. Simply click on it, will show you this menu, and click on edit code. And as always, I do mention click here and click that. So for people that are not familiar with Shopify, because I know a lot of people who search for these videos are not familiar with Shopify. And for the people that are familiar with Shopify, I'm sorry, I know, I'm boring you what, but I apologize. So the next thing you're going to do is access theme.liquid, and you will see it at the top of the page right here. As you can see, theme.liquid. If you do not see it in here, simply use the search bar at the top of the page and type in theme, and it will show you the file, which is theme.liquid. Then simply click on it, and after that you will need to find /body. I repeat, /body. You can scroll down, you will see it at the bottom of the page. Here it is, as you can see. Or you can use the search feature, which is like Control F. If you are on Windows, click on Control F. If you are on Mac like me, click on Command F, and it will show you this prompt, and simply type in /body, and it will highlight it on the code, as you can see now. And I already found it. So the next thing you're going to do is scroll down the description box, and you will see a link, name it as code. Simply click on it, and it will take you to this page where you're gonna see again a very short code, and this very short code will do the job of completely removing the cart icon from your Shopify header on your Shopify store. And it works for every Shopify team, so no worries. And obviously the next thing you're going to do is select the code in here, then right click and copy. After that, get back to the code editor and simply paste it above /body. I repeat, this is really important. Make sure you do paste it before and above /body. So access a line, a new line on above of the /body, and simply paste it in here. After that, click on save button right here and give it a couple of seconds, and we will get back to the Shopify store and reload the page, and this little guy right here should be gone. And they will be gone actually, because I know this little code works for every Shopify team. So let's just reload the page and see that actually. Let's just reload the page and here we go. It's gone. Our little guy, the cart icon, is gone. So if you are doing dropshipping again and you only sell one product or two, then make sure to remove the cart icon as well as the add to cart button. And if you don't know how to remove the add to cart button, then check out my channel. I already made that video. But for now, that's how you remove the cart icon from your Shopify header. And if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them below in the comment or check out my Instagram right here below. I do reply to each comment. If you are wondering again, why is that? Because simply, I'm working for you. Otherwise, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.